Okay, let me show you. This is an arena that has been effectively built in the president's back garden. So we are here on the south lawn of the White House. You have the White House here, the UFC arena here, and this is the first sporting event to be held on the grounds of the White House. And it's all for Donald Trump's 80th birthday and these massive celebrations that are happening for the nation's 250th birthday too. Let's go inside. Okay, now I want to show you this. This is where all the fights will happen this weekend on Sunday inside the arena here. We are just on a press tour, and this event is being headlined by Ilia Topuria and Justin Gaethje competing for the lightweight title, and Alex Pereira and Cyril Gane going for that heavyweight title. Let's go in a little bit further and see what we have here. We have massive screens, thousands of seats. We also have this huge lighting structure. As you can see this all over DC at the moment, and this is called the Claw. Now this event has come with some criticism. Obviously this arena is not air conditioned, and the weather forecast for the weekend, it's going to be around 32 degrees, it's going to be hot, it's going to be humid. There are also thunder and lightning storms forecast for the weekend with heavy rain. And this event is also going to happen in the evening time when the mosquitoes thrive here in DC. There are other criticisms here too, like who's going to pay for all this? The UFC said it is footing the bill. And there are also questions about using a national monument like this, like the White House, for private financial gain. This arena holds around 4,300 people, and some people have paid $1.5 million for one of these seats. Now, other tickets have gone to the White House, the UFC. Then you have around 1,000 active military members who have been given access to tickets. But there is a catch here. There's been some reporting that you have to be a certain height and a certain weight to access those tickets. Basically, you have to be trim. We have to go, our time is up. But this event wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for the close relationship between Donald Trump and UFC CEO Dana White. This is going to be a high security event, a lot of security around. You have 4,000 VIPs here in the arena at the White House, but also 100,000 people possibly in the park close to the White House. This is surely nothing that Washington, the White House, or the United States has ever seen before.